Hi, it's Mindy from Time to Unwind, and I know it's been a while. It really has. But I thought I would show you a few things that's been going on. But I got a Paradise Fiber package a week or two ago. And I've got a couple of KnitCrate things here. I probably got my last month's or my August. I probably got something else in August, but you know how it is. My brain doesn't work sometimes. But let's see what I've got here to show you, because it's fun stuff. And so there's Eunice, the sticker. I love these little bags. Even if I never do anything with them, I love them. So there's Eunice, the sticker. I was trying to read the back, but I can't really make it out. She's kind of bright and glowy. And we have some wild raspberry hibiscus tea. That looks tasty. I used to like raspberry teas. I've never had the hibiscus one. I love these little bags. They're just so cute. And then got this grab bag. In your bag, a blast from the past. 8 ounces of an assortment of blends. 1 vinyl sheep sticker character and 1 Paradise Fibers acrylic Global Progress Keeper pin. Did I miss something? Oh, there it is. Can you see it through there? I'll open back up. I missed that in there. It's Eunice again. Or Eunice? Eunice? I don't know how they say it. So, good thing I read the label. Oh, I have 2 papers. Nice. Oh, I see. 1 herbal tea. And of course, the Fiber Club members save 10% on fiber with the special code. Now, here they have a list of all the different possible fibers. In celebration of 7-year anniversary of the Fiber Club, our most cherished exclusive blends are returning to you in a zesty mix of color and texture. Discover the blends from boxes you may have missed and uncover a new love for combining and contrasting fibers and textures into a project that is a burst of creative inspiration. This fun grab bag of fiber confetti has limitless potential and is unique to you. Flip this card over to see the assortment of blends, which you can see right here included. Which ones did you get? If you see a blend that you absolutely love but can't identify and would like more, send a photo to sales@paradisefibers.com and we'll try to identify it. Thank you for 7 years, fiber friends. So there are some really gorgeous ones there. And so here's their tutorial. The first rule of this tutorial is that there are no rules. The second rule is that this is a mystery grab bag, so there is no peeking. With this in mind, here are the steps Karen took to create 450 yards of worsted weight yarn. Share your results on social media with Paradise Fibers and at Paradise Fibers, and stay tuned to see what Karen creates with this festive yarn. She's thinking a woven scarf. Step 1, throw all your fiber poofs into your vessel of choice or leave them in the bag as they came in. Step 2, reach in without looking and grab a poof. Spin this poof however you'd like. Karen spun worsted with a short draw for a smooth yarn. Next, grab another poof to attach to the end of the first. Repeat until you have all 1 full bobbin. Fill 2 bobbins. Apply these 2 singles together. Rinse and cool yarn to set the twist and let air dry. And so those are some possibilities. Now I looked at this And I had a slightly different idea. I don't know if I'll do it or not, but I thought of taking each poof and tearing it in two lengthwise and dropping it into separate bags and doing it twice, doing the whole thing twice, and spinning that up and then plying those together. I don't know. But there are some cool colors in here because you can see they're all, one side's not the same as the other side. They're packed in there, and if you went down the center, you might see different colors yet. It's kind of a fun way to spin. For some mystery gift alongs, I have done something like that, and it is so much fun. Spin up something wild and crazy and give it away. Somebody gets something wild and crazy. So that was Paradise Fibers for August. And here I look at it, it's August 31st when I'm filming this. So, and I just got the KnitCrate Sock Crate today. Is that the one on top or is that the one on bottom? I don't know. Well, I cut them both open, so we'll see. Okay, this one is the membership crate. I can tell because there are 2 balls. Count them 2 in here, not in there, out of there. Look, a little cork, upside down coaster. Sip one, stitch one. Repeat from star. So, and this yarn, I got the Oasis. I'm assuming that this is the Chill Out. I may be wrong because I didn't look. 50% superwash merino, 30% linen, and 20% silk. It's fingering weight, 400 yards, 100 grams, hand wash, of course, and lay flat to dry. It's soft. It feels better than straight linen. The Paradise Fibers last month sent out linen. I wasn't really thrilled with it, but this I could deal with. Makes me think maybe I'll spin that lovely linen fiber up as a mix with maybe a merino or something. This feels nice. Now, I did go ahead and order from Member Central a couple of the other colors because I think they would look wonderful plied together. Particularly the very pale pink sandstone one with this, but I just couldn't help it. I loved the Midsummer Rose, so I got them all, and I thought I would ply them together in such a way that I could have a heavier yarn that was tweedy, and see what would happen. It might happen. Their patterns this month. Here's the knit pattern. It's a shrug. And I will go ahead and show you that. Oh, here are the colors. The Energize Me was this gorgeous Midsummer Rose. I ordered one of those. And I ordered this Chill Out. Or is that the Chill Out? The All Natural with sandstone. And if I get it up close, you might get to look at how pink that is. And then the Chill Out was the Oasis. And let me show you skip the sock yarns for now. The patterns. The Pier cardigan is what it's called. These are shrugs. This is just a little shrug. They're doing it in that gorgeous Midsummer Rose. but it takes two. The simple summer shrug is the knit one, and somewhere, they have an oversized style. And I swear that oversized style is done with the sandstone mixed with the oasis, and I think it's so pretty because it has just that little pink shimmer to it. So that's what I think. So anyway, that's the membership crate. I'm going to steal this coaster out because I could probably use that. Sometimes I let things in there for the time being, but I'm taking that out. And now let's see what I have in the sock crate. I know y'all don't really care, but that's okay. I like it. I like it. And so, what do I have here? Ooh, nice. This color is, the colorway is Gibbous Moon. It's 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, 435 yards, 100 grams. Machine wash, gentle cycle, lay flat to dry. Like my husband would ever lay a sock flat to dry. And who knows if I'll use it for a sock. But it is gorgeous. Check that color. It actually shows up. I like the color on the screen almost better than I do the real life shade. Yeah. So. And there's a little cactus placeholder. Something I'm going to collect all of those together. I'll have a whole set of all different sorts of weird placeholders and things that I've gotten through these things. Now, let's go back to the socks. And so, this is the chill out. The Gibbous Moon is the chill out. So I hit chill out a lot this time. The Energize Me was Succulent. It's a kind of pretty shade of green. And the All Natural was the Tuscan Sun up there. And this is more of a periwinkle. It doesn't show up as periwinkle on my screen. And the socks, the cactus flower socks are what these are called. Let me get to the sock pattern so you can see a good picture. There's their cactus flower sock pattern. Like I generally follow sock patterns. Not really, but they're fun to look at. And their crochet sock pattern is Sun and Surf socks. So, again, I tend to just make, but anyway, they're fun to look at, give ideas, cuddle the yarn. You know, I'm way behind on my yarn patterns. Meanwhile, while on vacation in the car, I forget what I was making at this point, but I finished it. And we still had hours of driving to do. And so I started something and I asked my granddaughter, what do you think? Should this be a sweater or a poncho? And she said sweater. And so I have started a top-down sweater for her. Whoops, it's kind of not well positioned. Looks like a blob. Looks like it needs an ironing, doesn't it? And she decided on these colors. Honest to Pete, I just started with these colors. Because I thought it was going to be a poncho, I made it an open neck. But I will fill it in, I think, with lace. And then it's going to be long sleeved, and she wanted it to go from the charcoal and blue to the purple and black, and then I'm going to go with the charcoal or the purple and black on the sleeves. And I don't know whether I'm going to put lace on the bottom too or not. I haven't got that far. I think I'm going to run out of the charcoal and blue, and so I'll have to decide whether I'm going to buy more or finish the arms in strictly purple and black, but we'll see what I decide to do. And right now what I'm going to do is pause because I want to show you what I've been doing outside, if I can. It looks like it's still light. And so here we are outside. And let's see, that's the neighbors here. Let's see if I can turn this around. And so, and back up a little bit maybe. Here we are. I have pretty much ripped out the entire back of the property here. Had new gravel laid on the driveway and new topsoil put down in the back. No. And we are building a chicken coop. It's got a long way to go. But that's what we've been doing lately. Tracy is helping me build it. She's not here. That's pretty common, but she's got things going on and I've got things going on. But I'll show you again later when it's further along. So let me pause again. And so I'm back inside, and it's kind of dimmer out than I thought. Just to round things out, I just thought I would mention that I've taken on a little bit of work, and whether it will last or not, I don't know, but I'm just taking temperatures at mostly at one factory, so we'll see how long I do that. Well, it's for COVID, so that part could be limited. Maybe I'll stay with the company. I'd like to, and maybe I won't, but it would be nice. I kind of like it. I kind of like the company, and so we'll see what happens. I would like to stay with them. Whether they need people or not, I would like to stay with them, so we'll see. So this wasn't really exciting, I know, but feel free to hit the like button, and if you're new, you can hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified when I'm back. I haven't been real regular lately, but we'll see what happens, and see you later.